This is 5 on your side at noon. Focused on you.
As we go on the air at noon, an unsettling and disruptive cyber outage affecting us all. At the top of the list, hospitals and medical facilities struggling to serve patients. Airports where flights are grounded, passengers are lined up with nowhere to go, many stranded. Federal government buildings are shut down, and even banking and the stock exchange crippled by this outage. Let's tell you more about what we know. Many of the critical systems these industries rely on shut down. The cybersecurity company CrowdStrike that provides software to corporations that use Microsoft systems had an automatic software update pushed out, and that's what caused these issues globally. This is happening around the world. We've been working overnight into the early morning hours finding out how this affects you locally. So let's start at Lambert Airport. St. Louis Lambert International telling us all flights have been grounded on orders from the FAA. Delta, United, American, all directly affected by this cyber outage. They use CrowdStrike. This has paralyzed airports everywhere. Also, hospitals and medical facilities, many impacted. Specifically, SSM Health says its system has been impacted. It's canceled some procedures, but it ensures patient care is not impacted. Touche Hospital in Cahokia Heights having to document cases on paper instead of electronically. Washington University School of Medicine says lab and radiology orders may not go through if they're ordered by doctors or other professionals. And also at hospital facilities, things like the cafeteria, the ATMs, and other patient services are not working. Government agencies and banks, the Social Security Administration announced local offices are closed here to the public, and even some of the services that you may access online may not be available. Again, we talked about ATMs at the hospital not working. Banks across the globe are also impacted, so you may have trouble using any ATM today. Let's go to safety and 911. Locally, 911 services have been working, but that is not necessarily the case nationwide. In fact, St. Louis County Police experiencing problems, especially in the jail. But again, 911 services in our area appear to be unaffected. We have a list of what's impacted locally, what's affecting you directly today. It's on our website, ksdk.com. We want to hear from you. What have you discovered during this outage? What services are you not able to access? You can reach us, 314-425-5355. We'd like to hear from you. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we will do our best to answer them with what we know now. Coming up after the break, we have a local cybersecurity expert here to explain exactly what's going on and when things may get back to normal. We'll be back in a few minutes.